Welcome back to the fourth session of our computer class. In the previous class, we learned about various types of input devices. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. In today's class, we are going to learn about processing unit. It is the place where all the processing of the computer takes place. Just like human beings have a brain, a computer also has a brain, and the brain of the computer is called as CPU or Central Processing Unit. It stores data, performs calculations, processes data, and sends the result to the output devices. Its main function is to execute the programs. It also controls the operation of other components of the computer. It works on IPO cycle. Now, what is an IPO cycle? It stands for input, process, and output cycle. A computer takes input, does processing, and produces an output. Let's understand this with an example. Do you know how a sandwich is made? Well, that's easy. It is a step-by-step process where in the first step, you have to collect the bread slices and butter. So this will act as an input for us. In the second step, you have to apply the butter on the slices of the bread. So what is this? This is our process because we are doing something on our input. After this, we'll proceed to our third step. Here, our sandwich is ready. Our buttered sandwich is ready to eat. So what is this? This is our output. So our input, that is the slices of bread, is converted into the buttered sandwich. Similarly, a computer also works on these three steps. First, we give the input to the computer through the input devices such as keyboard. Here we are giving the input as 2 plus 2 as an example. Now this will go inside the CPU, which is going to perform some process on it. In our example, the process will be addition. Now after performing addition, the CPU is going to send the answer or the result to the output device such as monitor. So here in our case, it is going to display the answer as 4 because 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now CPU is divided into three parts. The first part is control unit. Second part is arithmetic and logic unit, which is also known as ALU. Third unit is memory unit. Let's understand the working of the computer with the help of the block diagram. In the block diagram of the computer, first is the input unit, which means we enter the data with the help of some input devices. Now this data goes inside the computer. It goes first inside the arithmetic and logic unit. What it does? It is the place where the actual execution of our instructions takes place. It performs some arithmetic or logical operations. Arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and logical operations such as less than, greater than, or equal to. So this is all done inside the arithmetic and logic unit. Then comes your memory unit. It stores your answer of your addition or subtraction into the memory unit either temporarily or permanently based on our requirement. And the third part is our control unit. It controls and interprets the instructions and coordinates the execution. And after the processing, our data goes to the output unit.